come and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a super cute bee. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around for a cool fun fact and a free coloring page of this drawing. I'll show you how to get it soon. It's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Art is about having fun, not being perfect. Wobbly lines make your drawing unique, and that's what makes it amazing. Did you know bees have 5 eyes? Bees have 2 big eyes and 3 tiny eyes on top of their head to help them see in all directions. That's how they're so good at spotting flowers. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Remember, you can choose any color you like. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own masterpiece. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.